Hey guys, FCD-ASF back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing the ASF by Forward Controls. This has the Q levers, which are a little bit offset, but this is an amazing safety selector by Forward Controls. And I'm going to show how to install it, because it is a little bit different than other ones that you've seen. So we got our two levers that are short and are long, and then our centerpiece. We'll have a spring, detent, and 4 roll pins, but we only need 2. So for installing any selector, you're not going to be able to do it with the hammer up. You have to cock the hammer. And with the hammer cocked, you'll see this hole in here. That hole is where the detent goes. So we're just going to slide this centerpiece in, so the detent portion, as you can see here, is on this side. I'll grab the pistol grip. I just have an MOE grip, and we're going to take that spring, place it in the hole of the grip, take the detent, kind of looks like a rocket, pointed tip down, and go ahead and put the spring right over that hole. You just want to make sure you're not bending the spring, and you want to make sure that it's going over the detent. Just like so. Let's go ahead and check this again. I'm just going to lay this on just to see if it works. Notice I have my thumb over the hammer because I don't want to dry fire it against the receiver. So everything works there. It's in there. Cap back on. And then for the levers, these stay in place by driving through the roll pin. Super easy. You know it's going to be really secure. Something like this, I will use a roll pin holder, which will help hold it in place. And if you come from this angle with the pistol grip, like, you're going to run into some clearance issues here, so just come from the top. To drive it the rest of the way. So there you can see it's in place. Everything works. Now we'll just do the exact same thing on this side. Alright, both roll pins are in. Function check. So that is how you install the Forward Controls Design ASF. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.